Hey there, today I'll show you how to share call recording audio files on iPhone. And here's how it's done. Step 1. Locate your call recording. Using voice memos if recorded externally. Open the voice memos app. Locate the recording in your list. Step 2. Share the recording. Tap on the recording to open playback options. Tap the share icon, usually a box with an upward arrow. Choose your preferred sharing method. Messages to send via iMessage or SMS. Mail to send as an email attachment. AirDrop to share with nearby Apple devices. Step 3. Check file size and format. Most apps export audio as .m4a or .mp3. Some email clients may have size limits, example 25 MB. Step 4. Verify the file was received. After sharing, ask the recipient to confirm they received and can play the file. If they can't open it, consider resending in a more common format like .mp3. Bonus tip: stay legal. Call recording laws vary by country and state. Always inform the other party the call is being recorded. Use legal apps available in the App Store with good reputations. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.